How to close WorldRemit account. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to close WorldRemit account, open your preferred browser and in the search bar search for worldremit.com. You will be led to the official webpage of WorldRemit. Now to close the WorldRemit account, firstly make sure you are signed in. And now in the toolbar, you will see the option for help. Tap on that, scroll down and you will see the option for My Account. Go ahead and tap on that and then tap on My Account again. In the interface that you are led to, you will see the option for How do I close my WorldRemit account. Tap on that and now under How do I close my WorldRemit account tab, you will see to disable your WorldRemit account, please contact us option. So go ahead and tap on Contact Us option. Now simply get in touch with WorldRemit team by using your phone number or your email address. You might also actually want to confirm your identity by sending a photo ID and selfie on an email. Send in the email and the proof of address or any document and they will successfully delete the account for you. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.